Shh. Hi guys, today I'm going to be unboxing Skylanders Superchargers Racing for the Wii. I cut this open already. And yeah. Oh. Skylander Battle Cast. Skylander Battle Pass cards are on the bottom. Yep. Wouldn't it be bad if the game wasn't even in here? Get out of the view. First, we got the poster.
Go, go, go.
Shh. Back of the screen. Shh. Got them all here. Next, Hammer Slam Bowser, Amiibo, Skylander. Don't rip that. Amiibo Skylander. I know. Now I have 3 posters. And then the Bowser's vehicle. Bowser's vehicle. And then Super Shot Elf. Stealth Elf. Everybody has Super Shot Stealth Elf. And then the Portal for the Wii game. And the cards. I gotta get the cards here. Ooh, it comes with 2 of them. Stealth Elf Spitfire. Stealth Elf Spitfire. I got 2 of them. Boy. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.